Hey guys, the objective of this video is to introduce the concept of probability. Okay, so probability is defined as a measure of how likely a certain event would occur. So we denote P of A, okay, as the probability of the event A from occurring. So let's say, for example, you had a bag of balls, okay, and you represent them by numbers, okay. So 5, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and you're interested in the probability of getting a 1 out of the bag. So you let Z be all the possibilities that are possible. Okay, so that's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because that's all the balls that we can get. Okay, and that's equal to omega, which is the largest set possible. Okay, so set A is equal to 1 because you're interested into finding the probability of achieving a 1 out of the bag. Okay. So then the probability of A is equal to 1 on 5. So probability of A meaning the probability of getting a 1 out of the bag, okay? Or in other words, probability of the event A from occurring. And that's equal to 1 on 5. And the denominator is equal to 5 because there are 5 total possibilities. So this leads us to another concept, okay, called mutually exclusive events. So let's say with two events A and B. And so they're said to be mutually exclusive if there are no common objects in set A and B. Or in other words, the intersection of A, B is the empty set, okay? So there's nothing common between set A and set B. So, for example, let's say you were flipping a coin, okay? And the two possibilities that are the most possibilities that can be possible are 2, okay? And that will give you heads and tails, okay? So that's equal to the omega set because that's the largest set possible for flipping a coin. Okay, so then you split them into two sets, A being heads and B being tails. And so we can say something about A and B, which is that the intersection of A and B is the empty set. So that means A and B is nothing in common because A is equal to head and B is equal to to a member that's different, which is the tails. Okay, so we can say that A intersection B is the empty set. So we can conclude that therefore event A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay, so what that means is that the event of achieving a head and the event of achieving a tail are mutually exclusive. So that's what we can conclude because A intersection B is the empty set. So let's say, for example, we have many events, okay, and we call them A1, A2 to AN. And so if they were all mutually exclusive, or in other words, if the intersection of A1, A2, and then all the way to AN is the empty set, okay, that means that the probability of A1 or A2 or AN from occurring is equal to the probability of A1 from occurring plus probability of A2 from occurring all the way to the probability of AN from occurring, okay? So what this here means is a union, okay? It means A1 or A2 or AN, okay? And that's equal to the sum of all the probabilities, okay? Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.